Bruz has not seen the end of us.
We cannot let his betrayal go unanswered.
The unmistakable stink.
Bruz will pay for his betrayal.
And it will be a warning to all who dare follow him.
Ranger, you've got trouble. Bruz has taken over your fortress.
I figured that was the plan when he stabbed me in the back.
From the back right through to the front. I mean, you were like bleeding just... Sorry. The point is, the other orcs know that you had Bruz with your "suffer me now," and they know he broke free, which has caused quite an impression, let me tell you. Orcs are lining up to follow him. Now, I'm not one to tell you how to do your business, but you need to put a stop to him right away, and you might want to mount a rescue.
A rescue?
Yeah, he's taken over a bunch of prisoners, one of whom is your overlord, I'm pretty sure. You might want to save him.
Where?
This way. I mean, really, it was like you were stuck on a spit and just...
Quiet!
There are 3 prisoners. You go in and do your thing. I'll stay back and scout the area. I'm a really good scout.
Scouts go on ahead.
And die? That's why I'm so good. Oh, right, here we are. Immense scouting.
I wish we could have snatched that rat bag. Can't believe Bruz has never lost a fight. You hit me! Get out of the way, fool! Let me kill Bruz, boss. Please! My kill! What are we doing? Get me out of this and I can help you! If you ever fight, let's get these maggots!
So up ahead is the last... Well, you know, you've been doing the counting.
Yes, I know.
So up ahead is the last... Well, you know, you've been doing the counting.
Yes, I know.
Surprised Bruz didn't want to do the deed himself.
Elf-Lover!
For the Bright Lord! Thank you, Master. I'm ready to fight. Oh, there! Cut deep! I will destroy you!
Well, I guess that's it then. You can get back to your warmongering and, I'll... Oh, hello.
We are not done here. Bruz.
Oh, right, Bruz. In his fortress. Oh, your fortress. Had a lot of owners, that fortress. Oh, and the fortress was mine. It's a wee bit drafty, but oh, the views! I mean, I made a lot of improvements to that place.
Like your tunnel.
Yeah! I had an escape tunnel. Smart thinking, I thought. You know, great if you need to get out, that's for sure.
We could use that.
Why? We don't need to get out.
We could use it to get back in.
Right.
Where is this tunnel?
This way. I'm pretty sure.
Welcome back, boss. So what was the plan? Rescue your boys? Bring them here for some kind of reckoning? You even brought along that little shrug-stained rat bag. Well, tell you what, I've got some friends too, me. Yeah, we can have a real party, a right shindig, yeah? We can have some grog, play a few fun party games like, pull the arms off the ranger. Have at it, boys.
Saw you last, sniveling and bending the knee to whoever comes along. Come on, get up!
I killed you once. There's no reason to stop there.
I appreciate it. Sorry I messed it up.
Was fun working for you, but it's even more fun. Stop thinking. It's one off. Abandon your master and serve me.
Yes, we should work together! I will, sir.
You'll see who the real master is. It, not you.
Bruz says we gotta kill a fella. We're eager to obey, but that don't mean we do it quick.
Fun we'll have. It'll be a pleasure. It's a bugger, Ranger. Wasn't supposed to go this way. You'll see me again. Sure as striking a tentacle.
He won't get far. We will find him and use him to show all of Mordor what happens to those who oppose the Bright Lord.
This fortress is once again under my command. An attempted rebellion has been put down. Its conspirators have been put to the sword. Its leader will soon suffer the same fate. You now hold this fortress for the Bright Lord! Here, my enemies will find no weakness, no mercy, only the unassailable strength of my army!
You don't have anything to worry about with me, boss. I'm going to protect you. So, kill me. I'm going to get revenge. Soon.
Nothing like fresh air to keep the grog.
She's not hurt.
It's the rain. Did I just hear something?
Somebody sneak through. It's a carnivore.
Talion! Rat Pack needs your help! I've lost Ranger.
How do you lose an Olog?
He was taken. I found this messenger by his food bowl.
Isn't there an expression about killing the messenger?
Yeah, always kill the messenger.
Well, that actually explains a lot. So what did he have to say?
He said, if you ever want to see your pet again, bring the Shrek-eaten Grave Walker.
Don't do that.
Oh, sorry.
You realize this is a trap?
Of course. But you owe me. And you owe Ranger. After all, we got rid of Bruz for you.
Not exactly how I remember it.
Well, we could quibble over details all day, but the fact is we're your boys. What will the other orcs think if you don't stand up for one of your own?
He's right. Orcs follow strength. If we allow our soldiers to be attacked without retribution, it will be seen as weakness.
You may have a point.
I do? I mean, yeah, I do. Now, come on. Let's go get Ranger.
Look at us, working together, just like the old days.
Quiet! You'll give us away. Just like the old days.
And then stick them back in your head after you shrug them out.
Did you hear him last night?
How could I not? All the scream. I like torture as much as the next Uruk, but the things I heard last night just weren't right.
We'll be heard. Imagine what?
There he is, the glorious Bride Lord. I knew that little sniveling crabbo would manage to get you here.
Bruz! I'll show you, Snivel. What have you done with Ranger?
Shut your trap. This is between me and the Grey Water.
Come down here. We'll end this.
Nah, this is just a beginning. First, it has to hurt. Then, if one of my boys kills you or that sniveling rat, so much the better. But if they don't, well, that's when the real fun starts, doesn't it?
Bruz! Come back here, you rotten piece of schmuck!
He's gone. But we'll see him again.
We better, because I'm not done with him!
Listen to me. We will find Ranger. We'll take care of Bruce once and for all.
Well, I'm not just gonna sit on my ass and wait. I will scour every inch of Mordor until I find him. And when I do, you will be the first to know.
Fair enough.
Bruz is just the beginning. The more power we gain, the more others will seek to challenge it.
Then we'll kill them.
No, he must be made an example of, or others will rise to take his place.
Then we'll kill them as well.
Why kill countless challengers when you can stop it all by breaking one?
Because we are here to win a war. And not play your politics.
In Mordor, they are one and the same. The longer Bruz survives, the more orcs will rally to his cause.
Popping off heads is hardly a cause. But you're right. We need to deal with them. The Witch King attempts to regain what was lost.
He will succeed only in losing more.
fight is folly, Ranger. You accomplish nothing. The idea belonged to the Witch King. He tracks you, and soon he will dominate you.
Hurry! They must not reclaim the Hydia.
They will not. A Caragor would help us cover ground more quickly. Once we have retaken these towers, we should find Eltari. She must know what is happening.
She could be watching us right now.
You love pain!
Oxidine Valador! Swear loyalty to the Bright Lord!
You cannot break the Chosen! Death at this idea is not yours. I reclaim it for the Witch King. For I am chosen, and you are filth.
Have you thought about why Eltariel was selected to be Galadriel's blade?
I can't presume to know what is in an elf's mind. Surely this Galadriel would sin the best.
I don't question whether she is the best, only whether she is the first.
Hard up the walls.
I see the Ranger!
After him. That'll leave a mark.
Make him screw you! Maggot! Each step you took toward the Hydir was a step toward your doom. The Witch King will possess this tower, and you will rot in its shadow. Time for pain! Fight him! All right! Oh, no! I'm having too much fun to stop now! Tear his flesh!
These chosen are tenacious indeed. The Nazgul are wise to create such powerful servants.
However powerful the Chosen may be, the ritual to create them is where they will be weakest.
Indeed. When the final tower is ours, we should turn our attention to finding the ritual's location.
And more men. More chopping.
Ranger! My mission is almost complete. That hide here belongs to the Witch King! And so do you, Ranger.
I am your doom! Ready to fight!
Join our I'll kill you! All together! Join us, brother! Never! That's my snare! Let's finish it! You try it again! For it. Brave to the last, eh? Too slow!
With each tower we reclaim, the Witch King's vision diminishes.
We will rob the Witch King of more than his vision.
Waiting for mayhem is tiresome.